This is the most female thing I have ever seen. Anyway, I didn't do this, but with any game, it is a good idea to get the negative reviews first. Since those will be the most honest. This game does not deserve overwhelmingly positive. It just isn't that good.
Baba Bowie.
Here is the main reason the controls are very finicky.
Bruh.
And there is some part that you have to do near perfect inputs. Among Us! Like a diagonal jump. And this game wasn't really made for keyboard in mind. Either way, these parts really suck. Even if I try to use the D-pad, and it would always make me jump up left. Among Us! It only was only pressing the up button.
But what the hell?
So that was useless. If you are going to have such a tight tolerance and such unforgiving gameplay,
Baba Bowie.
the controls need to be perfect. And they are not. Regardless, I hate the text, I hate the animation style, it has furry pastel gay groomer pedophile design. The story sucks, the characters are gross and dumb. I just really hate every little detail of this game.
Bruh.
It is so disgusting and female. No wonder females love gay people, lol. This game is very gay. I just hate this game. It is ugly, gross, and controls poorly. Super Meat Boy is the better version of what this game should be. And it controls much better. This is just the gay version of
Bruh.
it. I am fine with platforming. Anyway, I just don't like this game. It doesn't deserve all the praise. Not overwhelmingly positive.
But what the hell?
Gay. It. I was kind of joking about the game being gay, but guess what? It is gay. It is super gay. It is worse than gay. It is trans. I was just saying that because of their stall on me writing, guess my intuition was correct. Don't give these nasty gay people your money. Was this review helpful? One person found this review funny.